So, after you've made your Pac-Man character animate with his mouth opening or closing or whatever it is that you've done with the two costumes, the next thing you need to do is you need to get your character to move across your screen. So again, using commands, we're going to make sure that all these commands start when we click our green flag, so we go to when clicked, and then we have to use a forever if this time, because we only want our Pac-Man character to move if certain things are happening within our game. So if we grab this forever if, now you'll see there's a space in here, okay, and if you're using the book to do this at the same time, you'll see there's a blue command in there. Now that one you need to find in the sensing section, because we only want Pac-Man to move if something is being sensed. So in sensing, we're going to drag this book that says colour is touching, and when we move it, we're going to hold it over this space in the forever if, and then it will sort of snap into place. Now don't worry about the colours at the moment, I'll come back and explain what to do with those in a second. We now need to tell the script how far we want our Pac-Man characters to move, so in motion we'll just drag this move 10 steps. Now again, a bit like with the time up here in the wait section, the smaller the number on this time, the slower your character will move. The bigger the number in here, the faster your character will move. So you can have a play around with it, but you need to go much more than 10, otherwise your character will become really difficult to control. So what we now need to do is we need to tell this set of commands what colours we're using. So at the moment it's saying that when we click our green flag, our Pac-Man character will move forever as long as one colour is touching another colour, and it will move 10 steps at a time. So this first colour here has to be the colour of our dot that our Pac-Man character is chasing. If you haven't done the dot, then you're going to have to go back and do that. So what I've done is I've clicked in this little square here. Okay, you'll see that my cursor then becomes like a little dropper tool, and I'm going to go and click over the top of that dot that my Pac-Man character is chasing, and you can see that that's gone red. I'm going to do the same on this box, but I'm going to sample the background colour of my stage, which is black. So now what happens is my script says as long as my red dot is touching the background, then my character will move. So in theory, as soon as that red dot hits one of the blue walls, the character should stop and he shouldn't go through them. So if I click on the script, he moves. Okay, my character's gone straight through the walls, which means one of two things: that either my character is, there we go, he's worked that time, moving too quickly, I might need to make the change, make my walls a bit thicker, or I might need to make the red dot for my Pac-Man character a little bit bigger. Let's just try him again. He stops on some of them, so I've got a bit of adjusting that I need to do there.